Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. On the Solana chart, we still have the bullish scenario here, also as primary expectation, even though, and I have to say that very clearly, both the bullish and the bearish cases are very, very close together here. Yeah, very important. So in the bullish scenario, that's why it's so important to be aware of both scenarios and what the key, let's say the key pivot points are here on the chart. So in the bullish scenario, we had this leading diagonal in a wave 1, and then we came down in a wave A, overshooting wave B, and down in a wave C to finish off this wave 2 here in white. In the bullish scenario, we would assume we are now in the wave 3 in white. Well, that will take us massively above this 4840 level. So if this scenario plays out, we would move up all the way in the next wave to around about $64-65, the 1.618 extension. Is it high probability? No. At the moment, both are very, very similar. Again, I'm still leaning slightly towards the bullish scenario. You know, maybe I shouldn't, because Bitcoin has broken the 18.9K level a few days ago, and the with Bitcoin, I'm leaning slightly bearish. In the end, it doesn't matter what I'm leaning to. It's important what the chart does and how we react to it. That's the king. Yeah, not trying to read the stars here, because that's not what we do. We are pointing out the key pivot points on the chart, and then you know, this can be used for trading, or you add it to your own analysis or whatever. I can only share here my own opinion. What is important to understand is that in the bullish scenario, as I said here yesterday, we were expecting a dip. It was a little bit overdue, yeah, but not in an area where it moved up too high. So we looked at this, and I made you aware yesterday that we reached a 50% fib level, and we reacted to it and came down. We did expect a move down in both the bullish and the bearish scenarios, because in the bullish case, I told you that this could be counted as an impulse. We had 5 waves up, and we were waiting for the pullback to give us more clarity about the structure. Because if you expect a pullback in both the bullish and bearish cases, then this pullback will tell you a lot about the behavior of the chart in the next few days and weeks. So if we are now in the bullish scenario, then we say that this move up was already the first wave in the third wave. Okay, so that means we can draw the Fibonacci levels to the high, and you can see that we have already reacted to the 61.8% fib level, both the 50% and the 61.8, so in the region. This is an ideal level for a wave 2 to finish. Now it could go lower, but as soon as it drops below $32.43, which is the next key support on the fib ladder here, as soon as we drop below this level, it is very unlikely that we are still in the bullish scenario. So I'm watching for a potential impulsive reversal just now. However, there is not really enough structure in the chart. I mean, we can say that we potentially saw here an ABC, and maybe we see even more clarity on the lower time frame. So okay, so we can count here actually an A, B, C, which could indicate that this was the bottom, the low at $34.20, but it's not high confidence yet, because what's currently happening here is not yet impulsive to the upside, okay? And it is a very, very strong move down. So yeah, I'm a bit careful with that, but we can count 3 waves to the downside: A, B, strong retracement, and the C wave as a diagonal pattern. Okay, but this is only the 5-minute chart, so really, yeah, micro counting, not high confidence yet, not high confidence. So these are the key support levels. Yes, sort of in this region now. From this region now, we should reverse to the upside anywhere between now and 32.43. If we drop below that, it will just get very unlikely that it is still the bullish scenario. In the bearish scenario, we of course also expected a dip down. Here we said that we could have moved a little bit higher, but again, the maximum here was basically the 44 level, yeah, the absolute maximum, but we talked about the possibility to end this wave 2 here at any time because we reached a 50%, and yeah, you know, that happened. So as I said in my strategy talks over the last few days in various videos, this dip is now where a decision is made. This is really a decision week. Now in the bearish scenario, we would not hold these key support levels that I just explained, and we would then drop below $30.50. And if we lose the $30.50 level, yeah, then I think we have a very good chance to see lower lows. So if we now make a lower low than this one, there's a very good chance that we're going to come below the $26 level as well, and that we will make a new low, possibly in the region between $19 and $22. That is the next key support zone. If we lose this, then we might even see a below $10 Solana, but that is nothing I would expect primarily. Okay. All right, and that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.